Good morning, everyone. I, Naveen Garg, welcome you in your moral science class. Today, we will enjoy an interesting story that is chapter number 5, The Lost Pouch. So, let's begin. The story conveys the message not to be greedy. We all know that greed is the root cause of one's sorrow and unhappiness. The Lost Pouch is a story of a villager named Bhagwan Das who lived in a little village somewhere in Madhya Pradesh. He used to lend money on heavy interest to the needy and poor people and was extremely miser as well as coward also. One day he was extremely happy while returning back home on extracting double the money from a poor fisherman whom he had given rupees 2000 a month ago and had managed to frighten him into paying back rupees 4000. On his way, he saw three rowdy boys coming towards him, and in order to avoid them, in case they might snatch the pouch of money from him,
He started walking hastily.
as he walked along at a fast trot, the pouch fell down and rolled into a ditch. Being clever enough, Bhagwan Das did not stop to pick up the pouch, instead kept on walking as not to give any clue or hint to the boys that something had happened. When he saw the boys had gone, Bhagwan Das turned back, but to his utter surprise, the pouch was not there. He searched with all his might, but in vain. Just then his neighbor Shyamlal walked by, who on hearing the loss of Bhagwan Das felt sorry and searched the entire area but couldn't find the pouch. Soon it became too dark to see. Bhagwan Das felt extremely miserable and went home sobbing. On reaching home, Shyamlal's daughter told his father that she found a pouch on her way from school. Shyamlal was an honest man and he ran to tell Bhagwan Das the good news. But Bhagwan Das' wicked mind thought of making more money. So he told that there were 5000 rupees in the pouch and that his daughter had taken rupees 1000. Shyamlal was taken aback. No matter how much he pleaded, Bhagwan Das would not listen to him and went to the panchayat. After hearing everything, though the head of panchayat knew how selfish and greedy Bhagwan Das was, sent for Shyamlal and his daughter, who told them there were 4000 rupees only in the pouch. Now the wise head panch told Bhagwan Das that as Shyamlal's daughter found a pouch of rupees 4000 and not of 5000, so that means that the pouch which she found was not his. So he told Bhagwan Das that as soon as anyone reports that he has found a pouch with 5000 rupees, he will send for him. Bhagwan Das suddenly realized that he was going to lose all the money. He cried, "Sir, let me take 4000 rupees. I will bear the loss of 1000 rupees. Sir, please, please, sir," he begged. The panchayat head gave his verdict and did not listen as he wanted to teach him a lesson. So students, greed and dishonesty only leads to unhappiness. Now we have understood the golden words, much wants more and loses all. Dishonesty never goes unnoticed or unpunished. No legacy is so rich as honesty. So the moral of the story is, don't be greedy. That's all for the day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.